জয় বিশ্বেশ্বরী জয় বিশালাক্ষী জয়।
This is the same hospital where Dripto had admitted me after knowing everything. See them? All of you have a good look at them. Look at them nicely. Dripto, you also see them properly. You say anything you wish. You might say that these reports are fake, right?
Hey friend, did you see the papers? What is written in them? It's all a lie, right? Tell me. What did you see, Aunt Pratima, Mother Sanjukta? Tell me what's written in those papers. Why isn't anyone saying anything? What is this? Oh, why did you say that? Oh, what happened, Mother Sanjukta? Why did you say what is this? Please tell me. Hey, friend, Aunt Pratima, grandmother, why are you all silent? Please tell me. Let me tell you. The report says Jasmine is expecting a baby. She's pregnant. The ultrasonography report also says the same thing. All the reports are positive. Then I see no reason to disbelieve Jasmine.
Everything is a lie. Everything is just staged and fake. These are not genuine. Believe me, these are not genuine. These all are lies. It's all a lie. This can't be true. This is all a lie, nothing else.
How dare you, Dripto? Dripto, the prescription had my medicine names. You cannot harm my baby or me to prove yourself innocent, okay? Dripto, you tore my USG report too. That was my first USG report, Dripto. Can you understand that I first came to know that the baby is inside me by this USG report? Are you even a human, Dripto? You destroyed my first USG report. No, I have had enough. Not anymore. Now I will have to call my father, okay? If none of you is ready to accept this, I will have to take the twisted way. Where is my phone? Where is it? Friend, Chaumini is calling her father. She'll get Dripto arrested. Please, please do something, please.
Arrest? No, no. I will never let him get arrested. No, never. I won't let him get harmed as long as I am here.
Hello?
Wait, Jasmine.
I knew, Nayan, that you would stop me even if no one else did. Do you want to say something, Nayan?
That's the reason I stopped you right now. Sir has caused you inconvenience by tearing the medical reports, right? Fine. We will get you examined by an even better doctor. And not just one, but many doctors will examine you.
Nan, what are you saying? Why will you get her examined by a doctor? Do you believe her?
You? No. How will you get her examined by a doctor? Didn't you say that you would leave the house tomorrow?
I wanted to go, Mother Sanjukta, but I got stuck.
What do you mean?
Mother Sanjukta, Jasmine arrived on the wrong day. If she'd come after my departure, it would have been easy for her, Mother Sanjukta. But I am still in this house. And I have cracked her conspiracy already. I am not going to leave Dripto sir's side anymore. Can I leave his side even after knowing that such a big plot is being hatched against him? Is it even possible? Friend, make me stand facing Jasmine right now. No, Jasmine. Don't be afraid. I won't hit you. My hands won't touch an impure person like you again and again. I want to tell you something. And I can't tell you all that without standing in front of you. Where are you? Friend, take me along. Take me, friend.
Come, friend.
I can't see anymore, Jasmine. But unfortunately, I've already seen through your mind. Didn't you give proof to everyone? But now you have to give the proof to me. You have to fight with me. You have to prove it to me that you are telling the truth.
Nayan, you won't leave me and go, will you? Are you telling the truth that you won't leave me?
Let alone going away, sir. I can't even die peacefully, leaving you in such trouble. And how can I forget that Father brought me into this house as your protective shield? I've told you even before that my job is not just to save your life. Protecting your honor is also my duty. And I won't let you get falsely defamed as long as I am alive, Dripto sir. Because I am your Lotus Kali. Deepu, come here. Nayan, you too. Sir, I have lost my eyesight, so I feel the touch even more. I will never break the trust you have in your touch. Your trouble is my trouble too. Deepu, reason with Nayan. Has she lost her mind? Why, Aunt Pratima? What have I done? Silly girl, why do you want to take Jasmine to another doctor? Jasmine is not pregnant, listen to me. I mean, you believe that she is not going to have a baby for real. Yes, Aunt Pratima, I do. Then? You and I can believe it, but why would the rest of the world believe it, Aunt Pratima? They will start laughing behind Dripto sir's back after knowing about this. And I have to shut all those mouths. Then there's the police. If I cannot prove the truth to them, then how will I stop Dripto sir from going to jail? Aunt Pratima, the police will believe the woman and put all the blame on Dripto sir. And to save Dripto sir from all of this, we have to prove that she is not pregnant, Aunt Pratima. We will take her to doctors whom Jasmine doesn't know.
What are you consulting them about, man? You want to take me to another doctor, right? Tell me something. You don't believe my doctor, do you?
It's not easy to believe it, Jasmine. And that too in your case. I hope you haven't forgotten how you deceived every person in the family last time. What's the guarantee that you won't deceive us the same way even this time? And what is the guarantee that your doctor isn't involved in this conspiracy? So you have to let us get you examined by another doctor and be assured.
Nayan, it is Dripto who took me to the doctor. You are alleging to be mine, okay? Surprised? This is just the beginning, Nayan. As the time passes, you will be more surprised. Dripto, what happened? Why are you so quiet?
Yes, I took her to a doctor. Aunt, I took her to a general physician. The way someone takes a person to a general doctor, if they fall sick in the middle of the road, I did the same. But I really don't understand why the question of seeing a specialist arises here.
Fine. Keep lying, Dripto. Keep lying as long as you can. But when Nayan has given me the condition to prove myself, then I should say something, right?
You've been continuously speaking nonsense ever since you've come. What else do you have to say?
Actually, you know what, Jeet? Good and bad both are relevant. The thing that seems nonsense to you is a question of my child and my existence. So no matter how much you want to shut me up, I have to speak. I have to keep fighting for my child, right? I also have to prove that I haven't come here to lie. Nayan, you want to get me examined by another doctor? That's fine, I will see them. I will do whatever is needed to prove the truth, okay? But yes, I will do as you say, but you'll also have to do the same. You have to accept my condition.
You're putting forth conditions. Listen to me, Jasmine. Just stop your nonsense and leave. Otherwise,
Wait, Jeet. Let her finish. Tell me, Jasmine, what is your condition?
My condition is when the doctor chosen by you will also confirm my pregnancy, you will be the one getting me married to Dhripto. Oh, and before that, obviously, you'll have to divorce him.
How dare you? You.
Wait, Dhripto sir.
Nayan?
Sir, no. No, sir.
Nayan, she's getting inside. Nayan, leave my hand. She's getting inside the house. Leave. I won't allow her in. Jeet, what are you doing? Stop her. Aunt, please say something.
Dhripto sir. Sir, let her go. Just let her go.
Nayan, you are asking me to allow her to get in.
Who will show me my room, Nayan? No, I mean, the mother of the heir of this family shouldn't stay in the guest room. I hope you will agree on that.
First, let it be proven that there is really an hire. So until it gets proven, stay in the guest room. If you have put forth a condition, then listen to my condition.
Do you have a condition too?
Of course there is. Can anything happen one way? Listen, Jasmine. If it is proven that you are not pregnant, then you will come along with me to the police station and lodge a complaint against yourself. Do you agree?
Oh no, Sanjukta. This Nayan has given a dangerous condition.
She is dangerous, Vicky. What will happen now?
What happened, Jasmine? Why are you quiet? Tell me. Do you accept it?
how will she accept it, Nayan? Is it easy to accept such a condition? What happened, Jasmine? Are you in a fix now? You tried to act smart, but you got in trouble. Nice.
Only time will tell who is in a fix, Jeet. Nayan, I accept it. I accept your condition.
She made a fantastic move. Sanjukta, did you see Jasmine's move? Checkmate.
You will bound me under conditions to keep me here, Nayan. Fine. Then I should start my game.